Hey, welcome back to another video of Programming Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change site address in your WordPress account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in wordpress.com and click on enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now if you end up in this tab, you can click on these three dots here and go to the settings option. After clicking on settings option, scroll down to the bottom until you see site tools tab, and you can see change your site address here. Click on this. Now click on the three dots here where you will find change site address option. Click on it. Then type in the new name for your site address. After that, click on next button. Make sure that the world site address will be unavailable for use. Now click on I understand and click on change site address button. So that is how you can change your site address in WordPress account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.